Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share this nice trick in Python to check if all items or any item in a sequence satisfies a certain condition. So let's first create this list of strings. Okay, now I'm gonna use the all function and I'm going to iterate each item in this list, and for each item I'm gonna take the length of the string and check if it is smaller than 4. So if all the items in this list have a string length smaller than 4, this will return true, otherwise false. So let's try and let's print the result. Okay, I'm gonna store the result here. Print result. Okay, false. That's because only BMW is smaller than 4. The other ones are bigger, greater than 4. The other function we are going to use is any. So it's very similar. We're going to use the any function, and we are going to use the same condition here. So len for each item in this list, I'm going to take the length of the string and check if it is smaller than 4. So in this case, this function will print true if at least one of these items has a string smaller than 4. So let's see the results here. For the all function, we have false as showed before here, because only BMW is smaller than 4. But in the case of any, we have true because at least one item, in this case BMW, is smaller than 4. The length of the string is smaller than 4. So this is a nice trick. It might come in handy. I hope you find it useful. Like the video if you did. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.